I'm in hectic London and I wanted to escape for a little bit, so I went to the park. But actually the video I want to make today is, you've probably seen this type of videos where they go shoot strangers in the streets. It's kind of like a challenge for you as a photographer to come out of your comfort zone. And well, it's a very good thing to do, because that's actually one of the first things I did when I became a photographer, or I wanted to become a photographer, was going on the streets and photographing random people. Most people do it though because they don't have friends or people in their neighborhood who are models and who can help them to improve their photography. So that's why it's a good thing to do if you are looking for people to train your photography with. Now, I didn't have this problem, but the reason why I did it was to feel more comfortable as I am photographing people that I don't know. And I thought, what's the best challenge? What's the best school to learn this? And it's kind of like the public streets where you don't know the people at all, and you just go up to them and ask if you can take a picture. Now, the thing is, these pictures are kind of like, most of them are kind of street style pictures or portraits. So it's not that difficult, I think, to ask somebody, hey, do you want to have a nice portrait? And as you maybe know, my pictures are a bit more edgy. For example, like the project I'm doing now is taking pictures in a toilet. It's kind of like a mix between lingerie and some edgy rock and roll fashion. So that's actually what I want to do today. I want to find someone who wants to be a model for this project. So it's gonna be a bit more difficult, because they're gonna have to get in a toilet with me as a stranger and be in lingerie. But I think it's possible, and I want to make it because I want to show you that maybe if you don't have friends where you can practice your photography on, that you can do it with strangers. Because if I can find somebody who's gonna go in a toilet with me today and take a lingerie picture, you must be able to find someone to take like a normal portrait of. Let's see how it goes. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, it's going not that well, because maybe I chose the wrong street. People are very busy, you know, that's maybe one thing that's not so good. But the last person I asked, she was kind of interested in the idea of taking like a picture on the spot. But then I showed her the style of pictures that I take, and she didn't like it. She thought it was like way too explicit, which I, to be honest, totally don't think. I think my pictures are actually quite, I mean, they might get more explicit in the future, to be honest, because I think they're still like very low key and not that crazy and wild. But I just want to say that you can't let this type of things get to you, because it doesn't really matter. It's about connecting like with the right person for your projects, and so you can't blame the person if her perception of this is that it's a bad thing, or it's for example too explicit. You don't need to change your mind. It's not about persuading a person to do this. It's more about finding the right one that suits your project, because then it's going to be like really how you want it to be. Otherwise it will look shit anyways. But still, it's like always kind of weird, because you think like I make this and it's awesome, so everybody's gonna think it's awesome. That's not the case. Everybody's different. Everybody appreciates other type of beauty or art. So I was kind of disappointed in myself that I kind of let it get to me. Like, whoa, why doesn't this person like my idea or my concept? But you can't do this, because you live for like yourself. Well, you live in harmony with the world, or mainly. You have to be truly yourself, and that way you can connect with the people who really match your style and personality, or ideas or visions, because there are a lot of them in the world. And it's not for me to say which ones are good or bad. So, because I shouldn't have let this kind of get into my head and affect my mood. That's maybe what I'm looking for. It kind of affected my mood. So you don't have to worry that much about people. That's why now I'm going to scream in this busy streets, and people might watch for a second. But if that bothers you, if that's like the thing which makes you not persuade your goals or your vision in life, well, to be honest, then you better quit now, because it's going to not happen. You're never gonna reach them, you're never gonna be the best version or reach your full potential in your projects, because you don't want to do everything what it takes to make them come true. So that's why. Alright, so yeah, people's life might have been disrupted for like a second, but you're still alive. Just go for your projects and it will work out. Alright, so what's up? This is kind of like a shopping street here in Ghent, the city where I live. And yeah, so I decided to come here because I know that there's a cool toilet and there's like a lot of people walking here. And I actually didn't ask your name yet, so what's your name?
My name is Judith.
Alright, so Judith. Judith was so cool to actually go for it. But it's kind of funny because one of your friends did the project, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I showed her the toilet picture and she said, hey, one of my friends did it. So maybe that helped a little bit with trusting me, or I don't know, but so bam, it's not that hard to find somebody to shoot something with. So if I can find somebody to take a little bit more of like an edgy picture with, you for sure can find somebody to just train your photography with by taking a portrait or whatever. So yeah, let's now go take a shot and we'll show you later.
Alright.
My burger bar here and shots, because they have like this cool, they have this cool red bubbles against this black background, which is a cool look. And I had this red sunglasses with me, which should probably look cool together with the kind of black and grey outfit. So yeah.
Alright.
Tell me what I have to do to walk beside you. I'm feeling dizzy and I need you to let me down and see. I've been standing on your shoulders. Now I see you dancing in circles around me. Dancing in circles around me. Dancing in circles.
Alright, so we took the first picture like a half an hour ago. To be honest, the reason why now we're just only taking the second picture is because I didn't find anybody with an interesting look. But she had like a cool type of look with, I don't know what you call it in English, but do you know it?
Vertellen, I don't know the name.
Yeah, in our language it's vertellen, but whatever. So yeah, we're gonna take a second picture now. What's your name actually? I always forgot to ask.
My name is Amina.
Amina?
Amina, yeah.
Right, Amina is gonna be the model. So we're gonna shoot one in a bar that's like very close to here. So let's do it. Alright, yeah, I actually want to say thank you to Amina, because it's kind of cool that, well, you're like a little bit nervous because you're not, you didn't really have like, it's the first time you kind of take pictures, right? Or
Yeah, I'm not used to taking pictures, posing.
Yeah.
It's not new. It's new for me to do it.
But still, she was like open for the experience, and she, I don't know, it's cool that people trust you. But to be honest, I don't know why people wouldn't trust it and would be like, I don't know, in the toilet, a picture. Because well, we're here with cameras, and okay, I know maybe for a girl it's not that easy, and you have to be a little bit careful with what you do. But yeah, I like it that people still have trust in each other and just are open for kind of random experiences. The one toilet is going. So yeah, Amina did a great job, I think.
Thank you.
So